Looking for a powerful and compact mini PC that can handle gaming, office work, and creative tasks with ease? The BOSGAME P3 Mini PC is here to deliver top-tier performance. The link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience. Equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor, this mini PC boasts an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse with a base clock of 3.3 GHz, turbo boosting up to 4.9 GHz for fast and efficient computing. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, you'll experience smooth multitasking and lightning-fast storage. And if you need more, you can upgrade the RAM up to 64 GB and storage up to 4 TB. One of its standout features is the triple 4K display support. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB4, you can connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously, making it perfect for professionals and gamers alike. The AMD Radeon 680M graphics ensures smooth 4K video playback and seamless gaming performance. The USB4 port is a game-changer, offering an 8K at 60 Hz display experience, 40 gigabits per second data transfer speed, and even supports 100W PD power delivery. Whether you're using high-speed external storage or connecting to a high-resolution monitor, this port has you covered. For seamless connectivity, the BOSGAME P3 features dual 2.5G Ethernet ports, ensuring high-speed internet access and networking capabilities. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, you get stable and fast wireless connections for all your devices. Despite its compact and silent design, this mini PC packs a serious punch, making it an excellent choice for gaming, office work, and creative professionals who need a powerful yet space-saving solution. If you're looking for high performance, superior graphics, and versatile connectivity, the BOSGAME P3 Mini PC is the perfect choice for you. The link to this product is in the description below. We recommend you to check the latest price for your convenience.